Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you all? Hope you are all fine. Welcome to your English online class. This is your English book, New Oxford Modern English Book 3. Open your book, unit number 1. We were reading the chapter number 1, whose name was Dorothy Meets the Scarecrow. We have already studied page number 2 and 3. Today we will start our reading from page number 4. Okay, students, let's have a bit review of what we have studied before. We already discussed that there were three characters in the story: Dorothy, Scarecrow, and the dog of Dorothy, whose name was Toto. Yes. What we have studied previously, we studied that Dorothy, while walking around the fence, saw a scarecrow hanging on the tall pole. It was why it was there? It was there to scare the birds from eating the ripe corn. Dorothy then Dorothy then she was surprised to see the scarecrow there. Then we have read about the sketch of the scarecrow, that what was the scarecrow wearing. It was wearing a blue dress and then a hat and then some old boots. Then the Dorothy was surprised to see the scarecrow hanging there, and then the conversation between the scarecrow and Dorothy started, and we ended our discussion here after the two greeted each other that how they were, and our discussion ended here that when our discussion previously ended here when the scarecrow asked the Dorothy that who are you? Asked the scarecrow, and where are you going? Dorothy replied that my name is Dorothy, said the girl, and I am going to Emerald City. Okay, students, now let's continue our reading. Page number 4. I am going to ask the great Oz to send me back home to the Kansas. Where is the Emerald City? Said the Scarecrow. Scarecrow asked the Dorothy that where is the Emerald City where she wanted to go, and who is Oz? Why don't you know? She replied in surprise. No, indeed. I don't know anything. You see, I am stuffed with straw, so I have no brains at all, he answered sadly. The scarecrow answered sadly that I don't know, and where is Emerald City, and who is Oz, because I am stuffed with straw, I am filled with straw. Oh, said the Dorothy, I am sorry for you. Dorothy said, I'm sorry to hear this from you. Do you think, he asked, if I go to the Emerald City with you, that Oz would give me some brains? Now the scarecrow is asking the Dorothy that do you think if I go with you to the Emerald City and would Oz would give me some brains? I don't know, she replied. Dorothy said she don't know. Come to the Emerald City with me and Toto. You can ask the great Oz for a brain. What if he doesn't give me one? You should try it anyway. Anyway, said the Dorothy, you have nothing to lose. Now the scarecrow is asking the Dorothy that if he would go with her to the great Oz for to get some brains. That the Dorothy replied that if he doesn't give you some, you would not lose anything there. That is true, said the scarecrow. Scarecrow said, yes, you are right. You see, I don't mind my legs and arms and body being stuffed because I cannot get hurt. If anyone treat on my toes or stick a pin into me, it doesn't matter because I can't feel it. Now the scarecrow is telling that it doesn't matter that I don't mind my legs and arms and body bit stiff. He said that he doesn't mind his body and arms are stiff with a straw. If anyone treats my toes or stick a pin in me, it won't hurt me because he is filled up with straw. Dorothy listened carefully and nodded. She was amazed to see the scarecrow walking and talking. But I do not want people to call me a fool. Now the scarecrow is telling the Dorothy that he doesn't want people to call him a fool. And if my head stays stiff with a straw instead of with the brains as yours is, how am I ever to know anything? Now the scarecrow is saying that if my brains instead of stuffed with straw, if there's a brain there, how am I ever going to know anything? Move to the next page. I understand how you feel, said the little girl. Now the Dorothy said that she understand. What are you feeling? Said the little girl, and who was truly sorry for him. If you will come with me, now the Dorothy is saying that if you will come with me, I'll ask the Oz to do all he can do for you. Thank you, he answered gratefully. Now the scarecrow is very thankful to the Dorothy. He said, "Thank you." He answered gratefully. Gratefully means thankfully. Dorothy, Toto, and the Scarecrow walk to the fence. Now you can look at the picture that the Dorothy, Toto, and Scarecrow are walking along the fence. Fence means barrier. You can see the barrier in the picture. Okay. They climbed over it and started walking along the yellow bricks road toward the Emerald City. Now they all are moving toward the Emerald City. Toto sniffed around the straw. Toto sniffed smell around the straw man. Straw man here basically means the scarecrow. He crawled he crawled as if he suspected that he might be a nest of rats in the straw. He was behaving in an unfriendly way because he did not know the scarecrow. Now you can see the Toto roaming around the scarecrow as if he imagined that there would be a nest of rats in the straw man. Don't mind Toto, said the Dorothy to her new friend. Don't mind Toto, said the Dorothy to her new friend. He never bites. Now the Dorothy is telling the Scarecrow that don't mind. Don't mind, Scarecrow. Her dog never bites. Oh, I am not afraid, replied the Scarecrow. The Scarecrow said that he is not afraid of the Toto. He can't hurt the straw. Toto, be nice, said the Dorothy to her dog and bent down to pet him. Then she picked up her basket and they began walking again. Do let me carry the basket for you. I shall not mind it, for if I can get tired. Now the scarecrow asked Dorothy that if he could hold the basket for her, he would not get tired. I'll tell you a secret, he continued, and he walked along. There is only one thing in the world which I am afraid of. What is that? Asked the Dorothy. Now the scarecrow is telling the Dorothy that he is afraid of just one thing in the world. The Dorothy asked what it is. It is the farmer who made you. It is the farmer who made you. No. Is it the farmer who made you? Now the Dorothy asked the scarecrow that was it the farmer you are scared of? No, answered the scarecrow. The scarecrow said, no, I am not afraid of the farmer. It's a lighted match. It's a lighted match means that the scarecrow is not afraid of anything. He is just afraid of the matchbox and who can from which his straw can be filled with fire. Okay, students, I hope you like the story. It is a very interesting story. You must read it very carefully. And today I am giving you some homework for written homework, and this is your written homework. I'll send you the picture of this homework and you have to complete writing this homework on your copy. Okay, students, read the story carefully. I hope you like the story and do complete your homework writing on your copies and send me the pictures of your homework. Okay, thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.